Welcome to English Online. This is my name, my email. This is English Level 2. Today we are learning Unit 6, Lesson A, B, and C. We are going to study, review, and we are going to learn Lesson D and E. We're also going to learn weather, online literacy, and health. You're probably watching this video between April 6th and April 17th. I am making this video between April 2nd and April 6th. So let's start with the warm-up. Today is Monday for me. The day of the week, today is Monday. The month is April. The date is the 6th. The year is 2020. The weather is sunny. The temperature is 67 degrees. Okay? Now on your paper, I want you to write the day of the week. What is today for you? What is the date for you? What is the weather today? What is the temperature today? Hello, I'm the doctor. What's your first name?
My first name is Rose.
What is your last name?
My last name is Nyland.
Do you need an interpreter?
No.
What's wrong?
I have a stomach ache.
Where does it hurt?
My upper stomach.
How much does it hurt?
It hurts a lot.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much does it hurt?
I think about 8.
How long have you had a stomach ache?
Since yesterday.
Do you have any allergies?
I'm lactose intolerant, so I can't drink milk.
Did you eat or drink anything with milk?
What's milk?
Aww. 3, 2, 1. And how long have you had a stomach ache?
Since yesterday.
Do you have any allergies?
I'm lactose intolerant, so I can't drink milk.
Did you eat or drink anything with dairy yesterday?
What's dairy?
Dairy is milk, cheese, or yogurt.
I had a coffee with cream yesterday.
I think that's why you're sick. Here is some medicine. The pain should stop by tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's learn some words you need to know if you go to the doctor or the hospital. You need to understand the question, what is your first name? What is your last name? You need to know, do you need a translator? Do you need an interpreter? And you need to know emergency contact and insurance. Your emergency contact is someone the hospital, your work, or the doctor can call if you need to go to the hospital or if you're injured. So your emergency contact can be your husband, your wife, a brother or sister, or a son or daughter. It's someone who can help you if you need to go to the hospital. This is your emergency contact. So your emergency contact is the person's name, if they're your husband or wife or your children, and their phone number. And then you need to tell them, do you live with your emergency contact? Or if not, how far away are you from your emergency contact? Next word is insurance card. An insurance card will have the name of the insurance, your name, the name of everyone in your insurance. So your family is here. So, and this is the group number. It's a long list of numbers, so maybe it's IJ67789 is your group number. Coverage, start and end. So coverage can start maybe January 1st, 2020, and end December 31st, 2020. This is your coverage date from start to end. A word you will need to know is lactose intolerant. Lactose intolerant. ant. Lactose intolerant. It means you cannot eat dairy. Dairy is milk, cheese, cream, and yogurt. Now, I want you to listen to a story, and then I want you to answer the questions. Now that you listen to the story, I have 3 questions for you. 1. What is the patient's name? The patient is the person who is sick, the person who goes to see the doctor. So what is the patient's name? The patient's name is Rose Nyland. She said her first name is Rose, her last name is Nyland. What is the patient's name? The patient's name is Rose Nyland. Question 2. What's wrong? She has a stomach ache. What's wrong? She has a stomach ache. Question number 3. Why does she have a stomach ache? Why does she have a stomach ache? She drank coffee with cream, but she cannot drink milk because she is lactose intolerant. Cream is a type of milk. She has a stomach ache because she drank coffee with cream and milk, but she is lactose intolerant, so now her stomach hurts. Okay, now I want you to practice writing sentences in past tense. Remember, we only write the first verb in past tense. The second verb stays the same. So I want you to finish this question. This is verb number 1, and this is verb number 2. Let's do number 1. When you, this is to do. What is the past tense of to do? Do is irregular. We know the past tense of to do is did. When did you? This is the second verb. The second verb we don't change. We just write the word here without to. No, there's no to. When did you watch TV? When did you watch TV? To watch TV last night. In this sentence, there is one verb, to watch. So how do we write this in past tense? Watch. To watch. Is to watch irregular? No. Does watch end with the letter E? No. Does watch end with the letter Y? No. So we know that watch is spelled W-A-T-C-H-E-D. I watched TV last night. So tell me, when did you watch TV? Did you watch TV yesterday? Did you watch TV on Tuesday? Did you watch TV in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening? When did you watch TV? I watched TV on Monday. Next question. To do, you, to clean the house, and to do the dishes. In this sentence, there are 3 verbs. 1, 2, 3. So let's start with to do. The past tense of to do is did. When did? This is the second verb. So with the second verb, we just write it normal. Did you clean the house? And this is the third verb. Remember, we only change the first verb. Did you clean the house and do the dishes? Did you clean the house and do the dishes? I to clean the house, but I to do not. I to clean the house, but I to not do the dishes. Okay? 1, 2, 3. You think this is 1, 2, 3, right? But this is a sentence and this is a new one here. So this is 1 and this is 2. This is 1. This is the first verb. And this is a different sentence. This is 1 and this is 2. So let's do this one. Clean. Is clean irregular? No. Does clean end with the letter Y? No. Does clean end with the letter E? No. So we write ED. Cleaned. I cleaned the house. But I, verb number 1, did not. Verb number 2 stays the same. I cleaned the house, but I did not do the dishes. Again, in this sentence, I know it's one long sentence, but this is one section of the sentence. I cleaned the house, but I did not do the dishes. So we can start again. This is verb 1 and this is verb 2. Okay, let's do one more example with a lot of verbs. Let's finish this sentence in past tense. To do, she, to walk, the dog, and to make breakfast. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. Okay, so to do, the past tense of to do is did. Did she walk the dog and make breakfast? This is the second verb, so it stays the same. This is the third verb, it stays the same. We only write the first verb in past tense. Did she walk the dog and make breakfast? So, this is one sentence, and this is a new sentence here. So here, this is verb 1, and this is verb 1. Yes, she. What is the past tense of walk? Is walk irregular? No. Does walk end with the letter Y? No. Does walk end with the letter E? No. So we just write ED. Walk. I walked the dog, and this is a new sentence, so this is verb number 1. Made. What is the past tense of made? Is made irregular? Yes. Made. Yes, she walked the dog and made breakfast. Now let's practice time words. We have at, we have in, we have on, and we have ago. Okay. Let's start with at. We can say at a time. So we can say at 7 or at 8 o'clock. Or we can say at 7:30. or we can say at night. So at is for time, or the word night. In. In. The word in we use with part of the day. So we can say in the morning, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. We can use in for a month. So we can say in March, or in August, in April, in. So now we know at is for time, or the word night. And in is a part of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. We can say in a month too. So in March, in September, in December. Now let's do on. For on, we use on for day or date. What is the difference? Day. There's 7 of them. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday, we can also say on the weekend. On the weekend. Or on Saturday and Sunday. This is days. Dates. Dates are specific days with numbers. So we say on January 23rd is a date. On February 14th is a date. And now we have ago. We use ago for an amount of time. So we ask, how long ago? An amount of time can be anything. It can be seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, or years. But it needs to be an amount of time, so it needs a number. So we can say 12 days ago. We can say 15 minutes ago. Or 7 weeks ago. Here, it doesn't matter if we say days, minutes, or weeks. What is important here is we have an amount of time. So we know the number and we know what we're talking about. The units. Are we talking seconds, minutes, days? So how long ago did we have class in person? How long ago was English class in person? I think it was 2 weeks ago. Or maybe even 3 weeks ago. When was New Year's? New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve was, well, today is April, so New Year's Eve was 4 months ago. New Year's Eve was 4 months ago. When was When was Valentine's Day? When was Valentine's Day? Valentine's Day was in February, and February was 2 months ago. So Valentine's Day was 2 months ago. When was breakfast? Well, for me, it is 3:30 in the afternoon. So breakfast was about 6 hours ago. When did you eat breakfast? How long ago was breakfast for you? Was it 1 hour ago? 12 hours ago? Maybe it was 15 minutes ago? How long ago was the last time you went to the dentist? When did you go to the dentist? Was it 1 year ago? 1 month ago? 8 months ago?